Ever pondered how a sweet indulgence can lead to a bitter aftermath like renal problems? It's a curious thought, isn't it? Diabetes, a condition often linked to a love for sweets, is alarmingly common, and so too are renal problems. But how are these two interconnected? What's the science behind this sweet and sour relationship? The answers might surprise you. Intrigued? I thought you might be. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this sweet and sour dilemma. Diabetes, a disorder of sugar metabolism, has a profound impact on our kidneys, the body's filtration units. Our kidneys, these humble bean-shaped organs, are actually vital for our overall health. They filter out waste and excess substances from our blood, maintain our body's fluid and electrolyte balance, and even produce hormones that regulate blood pressure and red blood cell production. Now let's talk about diabetes. When we have diabetes, our body struggles to regulate sugar levels in our blood. This condition can result in high blood sugar, also known as hyperglycemia. And this is where the kidneys come into the picture. You see, our kidneys are made of millions of tiny blood vessels that act as filters. When our blood sugar levels are consistently high, these blood vessels can get damaged. This damage over time can lead to kidney disease, known as diabetic nephropathy. In severe cases, it can even result in kidney failure. And that, my friends, is not a situation any of us would want to be in. Kidney disease or failure can lead to a myriad of life-threatening conditions. We're talking about things like anemia, heart disease, bone disease, and even a higher risk of strokes. So the bitter truth is the sweetness of sugar can lead to a sour impact on our kidneys. Let's recap the main points from our discussion. Diabetes is a condition that, if not managed properly, can lead to a series of complications, one of the most severe being kidney problems. Our kidneys are like silent heroes in our bodies, filtering out waste, balancing bodily fluids, and even aiding in red blood cell production. But when consistently high sugar levels are in play, they can struggle to perform these vital tasks. This battle against sugar can lead to kidney damage, sometimes severe enough to require dialysis or even a kidney transplant. That's why maintaining proper sugar levels is so essential for our overall health. Early detection of diabetes and consistent management can significantly reduce the risk of developing kidney complications. Regular checkups, a balanced diet, and a healthy lifestyle can go a long way in keeping both diabetes and kidney problems at bay. Remember, sugar isn't always the sweetest thing for our health, especially when it comes to our kidneys.